Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you all the squishies that I own, and I have a lot, so let's get straight into it. My first squishy that I have is the Jumbo Dumpling. The Jumbos, we have this giant pickle. Alright, next we have this Jumbo Duck, which is really slow rising, surprisingly. I really like it. Purple, yeah, this is a purple one. You can kind of see like a tint, not on camera, but like actually like real life. But I have this UV purple dumpling, a UV green with the face, also from Armis. Love these. My Nice Cube, it's not actually a Nice Cube, it's from Five Below, but this is like the best squishy ever. Love that. Next I have a slow rising croissant, and it's scented. It smells so good. Next I have this needoh, and it's kind of like Pops, but it's an actual needoh and it's pink. Alright, next off, for needohs, let me find out my needohs. I have one more. Alright, I have this one. You guys know that these type of needohs, they like print on pencil, but yeah, this happened to my needoh, but it is an actual needoh. I don't know how to show you guys, but yeah. Then I have the popsicle needoh, which is one of my favorites. It's so nice. Okay, next we have this like Nice Cube dupe, but it's like a circle, which is so nice. I love it. Alright, next I have this. I got it from my book fair, and it's low-key good. Like, it's kind of slow rising. Next I have a bunch of like these glitter water stuff. So I have the green butterfly, a blue bear, and then a like mochi donut. Next I have this Pom Pom Puree and Boba Orby squishy. Okay, next I have this slow rising from my store at my school. I have this one, so slow rising, I love it. I have this needoh. It's not even a needoh. I mean, it's not like squishy. It sucks. Next, I have this orange squishy. I have this super slow rising like cookie bread. I have a bunch of these Orby squishies, like mini Orby squishies. They're so nice. I have like 10 million bajillion different colors, and I also have these colors. But yeah. Then I have this pink one. Yeah, kind of boring. But then I have a orange one, which is really slow rising. I love it. Next I have like a Pop It squishy. Really good. I have this pink diamond. So nice. Then I have two of these like cream cubes, is what I call them. My dog's really annoying, but I have this needoh. Wait, where does it say needoh? Oh yeah, it says needoh right there. You can't see it, but this is a needoh, and it's like the diamond cubes. Next I have this I got from Walgreens, and it's like a Peeps. It's so good. Stop! Oh! Anyway, we have this pink penguin. It's Orbeez. I love Orbeez. Okay, and next I have two. What's wrong? I have two of these pencil toppers. I have a Stitch one, and then I have this capybara one, and you can like put it on a pencil, which is really cool. Next I have a painted Fuggler. So good. Next I have this like rainbow mushroom cream from Safeway. Next I have a pink and orange Orbeez. So nice. I have a cool cat. This isn't actually a cool cat, but it's like a dupe of the needoh cool cat. So good. Okay, next I have this Bats Maru squishy. I'm trying to like speed it up because, I don't know, but I have one more of these little Orbeez ones. I love that color. I have another one of these from my bookstore. This so nice. It's so slow rising. It's like a duck. I don't even know where I got this from, but it's really good. Okay, and lastly, we have these needoh like noodle things. We have a mini squishy and a random like juice thing. But yeah, those are all my squishies. I do not know where my dumplings went. I'm low-key like depressed now because I really wanted those dumplings and I can't even find them. But I'll If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe.